مرحبا بكم في قناة تاتس التعليمية. ادعم القناة بالاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس والإعجاب. الآن زوروا موقعنا howtutsgames.com للتركيز على الدروس واختبار المعلومات، كما يتم تحديث المحتوى التعليمي باستمرار. Unit 4 الوحدة الرابعة. A healthy life حياة صحية. What should you do to live a healthy life؟ ما الذي ينبغي فعله لتحيا حياة صحية؟ Get up early الصحو مبكرا. Drink a lot of water شرب الماء كثيرا. Eat 3 meals a day تناول 3 وجبات يوميا أو في اليوم. Brush my teeth well تفرش الأسنان جيدا. Do some exercise القيام بالتدريبات. Go to bed early النوم مبكرا. Bad things I shouldn't do أشياء سيئة لا ينبغي عملها. I shouldn't eat too much junk food أكل الطعام الحلويات والمقرمشات. I shouldn't drink too much soda شرب الغازيات. I shouldn't watch too much TV مشاهدة التلفاز. I shouldn't stay up late السهر. I shouldn't play too many computer games اللعب كثيرا. I shouldn't skip breakfast ترك الفطار.
What should you do to live a healthy life?
Good things I should do.
1,
I should get up early.
2,
I should drink a lot of water.
3,
I should eat 3 meals a day.
4,
I should brush my teeth well.
5,
I should do some exercise.
6,
I should go to bed early. Bad things I shouldn't do.
7,
I shouldn't eat too much junk food.
8,
I shouldn't drink too much soda.
9,
I shouldn't watch too much TV.
10,
I shouldn't stay up late.
11,
I shouldn't play too many computer games.
12.
I shouldn't skip breakfast.
Now, test a partner. One partner point to the picture and say a number. The other partner say the sentence, like this.
1. I should get up early. 7. I shouldn't eat too much junk food.
Now, let's do it for real.
الآن قرر لأي درجة أنت تقوم بالتالي. I always do دائما أقوم به 10 نقاط. I usually do غالبا ما أقوم به 8 نقاط. I sometimes do أحيانا أقوم به 5 points. I usually don't عادة لا أقوم بذلك 2 points. I never do لا أقوم بذلك أبدا 0 point. ماذا عن هذه الخطوات؟ I get up early أصحو مبكرا. I eat breakfast أكل الفطار. I go to bed early الذهاب للنوم مبكرا. I brush my teeth تفرش الأسنان. I play with my friends اللعب مع الأصحاب. I play outside اللعب خارجا. I take a bath or shower الاستحمام. إذا كان مجموع نقاطك 50-70 points I have a very healthy life لديك حياة صحية. 30-50 points I have so healthy life حياة متوسطة الصحة. Less than 30 points I don't think I live a healthy life ليس لديك نمط حياة صحي.
1. Practice the frequency markers. I always do. I usually do. I sometimes do. I usually don't. I never do. 2. Do the questionnaire. First, let's practice the sentences. 1. I get up early. 2. I eat breakfast. 3. I go to bed early. 4. I brush my teeth. 5. I play with my friends. 6. I play outside. 7. I take a bath or shower. Now do the questionnaire.
Now add up the total score. Look at the green, orange, and red chart at the bottom. If your score is 50 to 70 points, you can say, I live a very healthy life. If it's 30 to 50 points, you can say, I live a so-so healthy life. If it's less than 30 points, you can say, I don't think I live a healthy life. Then do 3. Talk to your partner about your score, like this.
I got 65 points. I live a very healthy life. Well done. You live a very healthy life. I got 40 points. I live a so-so healthy life. Yeah, 40 points? You live a so-so healthy life.
Now, let's do it for real.
استمع وردد الزمن الماضي في الأسئلة والإجابات. get up يصحو، got up صحى في الماضي، drink يشرب، drank شرب في الماضي، eat يشرب، أكل في eat يأكل، ate أكل في الماضي، brush يفرش، brushed فرش في الماضي.
Did you get up early this morning?
Yes, I got up early this morning. No, I didn't get up early this morning.
Did you drink milk this morning?
Yes, I drank milk this morning. No, I didn't drink milk this morning.
Did you eat breakfast this morning?
Yes, I ate breakfast this morning. No, I didn't eat breakfast this morning.
Did you brush your teeth this morning?
Yes, I brushed my teeth this morning. No, I didn't brush my teeth this morning.
استمع وتدرب ثم قم بنطق هذه الأفعال. الفعل الماضي في اللغة الإنجليزية للأفعال المنتظمة نضيف ed، فplay تصبح played، talk talked، brush brushed، watch watched. بينما الأفعال غير المنتظمة هنالك نسخة ثانية من الفعل في الشكل الماضي. get up got up، eat ate، do did، go to bed went to bed، drink drank.
First, let's practice the verbs. Regular verbs.
Play,
Played,
talk, talked,
brush, brushed,
watch,
watched,
Irregular verbs.
get up,
got up, eat,
ate,
do, did,
go to bed,
went to bed, drink,
drank.
Now practice in pairs. One partner says a verb. The other partner says the past tense form. Like this.
Are you ready? Okay.
get up, got up,
Eat,
ate. Okay, my turn.
brush,
Brushed, watch,
watched.
Okay, now it's your turn.
الآن تدرب على لعبة الأفعال في الماضي.
Verb Game 1. Practice.
Let's play. Listen carefully and circle the verbs. I played outside. I drank milk this morning. My sister followed me to school. He ate my sandwich. I went to the principal's office. I got extra homework.
done.
Okay, tell me your answers.
Played, drank, followed, ate, went, got.
Yes, that's right. Well done. Now let's play for real. Okay, did you write 9 verbs in the game squares in a different order? Now, listen carefully to the sentences and circle the verbs. Are you ready? I drank orange juice. I played computer games. I ate a big breakfast. I went to school by car. I got up early this morning. I stayed at home on Saturday.
Look, you missed one. There.
The cat followed me to school. I brushed my hair. I did my homework yesterday. Did you get the answers? Good job. Now let's play again.
هل كتبت الأفعال في الماضي حسب الاستماع؟ تدرب على هذه الأنشودة.
Early to bed.
Early to bed and early to rise makes you healthy, wealthy, and wise.
Late to bed.
Late to bed and late to rise makes you sleepy, grumpy, and tired.
Early to bed and early to rise makes you healthy, wealthy, and wise. Late to bed and late to rise makes you sleepy, grumpy, and tired.
أقرن هذه الجمل لهذه الصور.
First, let's practice the words and verb chunks. Listen, point, and say. Have a headache. Too many. Computer games. Exciting. Have a toothache. Teeth. Forget. Have a stomach ache. Have breakfast. Hungry. Have an earache. Clean your ears. Let's do it again. Have a headache. Too many. Computer games. Exciting. Have a toothache. Teeth. Forget. Have a stomach ache. Have breakfast. Hungry. Have an earache. Clean your ears. Now, let's practice.
I have a headache. Did you play too many computer games? Yes, I did. I know I shouldn't, but the new games were really exciting. I have a toothache. Do you brush your teeth every day? Well, usually, but sometimes I forget. I have a stomachache. Did you have breakfast in the morning? No, I didn't. I know I should, but I wasn't hungry. I have an earache. Do you clean your ears every day? Well, I try, but sometimes I forget.
Good. Now mime and practice in pairs. Change the order.
A headache ألم وصداع. A toothache ألم في الأسنان. A stomach ache ألم في المعدة. An earache ألم في الأذن. درب على نطق هذه الكلمات.
You are says purple, purple.
You are says purple.
IR says bird, bird.
IR says bird.
Remember, UR and IR make the same sound.
اكتب الحروف الناقصة في هذه الكلمات.
Shirt, shirt. Did you write IR? Girl, girl. Did you write IR? Turtle, turtle. Did you write UR? Burger, burger. Did you write UR? Well done. Now read and spell the words with a partner.
اقرأ هذه القصة الظريفة.
Did you read the story on your own? Now listen and check your reading.
Story of a horse from a farm. A horse from a farm asked a purple bird in the park, "Do you like corn?" "Yes, I do," answered the purple bird, and chirp, chirp, she flew away.
هل يمكنك أن تكون صاحب متجر وتتدرب على هذه المحادثة؟
First, let's practice the words. Listen, point, and say. Girls' clothes. Scarf. 80 Saudi riyals. Belt. 20 Saudi riyals. Skirt. 160 Saudi riyals. Uniform, 280 Saudi riyals. Boys' clothes. T-shirt, 100 Saudi riyals. Jacket, 160 Saudi riyals. Trousers, 160 Saudi riyals. Sweater, 60 Saudi riyals. Now make pairs. One partner is the storekeeper, and the other is the customer.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. I want a sweater.
Which one? This one?
Yes, thanks. How much is it?
It's 60 Saudi riyals.
Here you go.
Here's your change.
Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye.
Now do it for real.
الآن زوروا موقعنا howtutsgames.com للتركيز على الدروس واختبار المعلومات، كما يتم تحديث المحتوى التعليمي باستمرار. كان معكم الأستاذ جاسم العقيلي، مع تمنياتنا لكم بالتوفيق والتفوق.